This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to Commodore News Update for Friday, March 19th. I'm Chris Staten. A pandemic's influence on sports scheduling has really impacted the sports schedule this week, with rain canceling some events. On Monday, the Commodore's volleyball teams claimed shutout wins over Churchland in the shelter of the Great Indoors. On Wednesday, the field hockey team braved chilly and rainy conditions to defeat Churchland 5-0. Weather also impacted the cross-country meet. However, the boys' cross-country team claimed its second meet of the season. Kaysen Turman led the Commodores with the best time of the season. Now here's Tarquin with the details about what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Chris. Tonight, the Commodore football team battles crosstown rival Norview in a game with major playoff implications. Game time is 7 o'clock p.m. at Powhatan. Tomorrow, the Region 5A champion Commodore Scholastic Bowl team competes for a state championship. Good luck! On Monday, the boys and girls volleyball teams take on our rivals from Granby. The girls play at 4:30, followed by the boys at 6 o'clock p.m. Just a reminder, you can watch the volleyball, football, and field hockey games on NFHS Network. A monthly pass costs just $10.99. Back to you, Chris.
Thanks, Tarquin. Now what's happening at MHS? Finally, the 2021 Commodore is on sale. Check out the Maury website for details. Underclassmen can submit selfies to be used as portraits, otherwise your picture from last year will be used. You're up to date for Friday, March 19th. I'm Chris Staten. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News